Hello friends. So in option trading plan for 1st July expiry, we have shorted 16,000 call and 15,400 put. And as you can see in the chart, that market had expired, the Nifty had expired exactly in between this range, and the option that we have shorted and hedged have expired OTM. If we check the status of the position, then this is the Opstar platform where I'm tracking the position. So as you can see, all the premiums are zero as of now. And if we check the profits, then we have got a profit of around 3100, which is around 5% of the capital or margin that we have paid for this position. So this is the update for the position, and if you see, the premiums are also zero in this case. So yeah, this is the update for the last week position. So let's check the option trading plan for 8th July expiry. So before going ahead with the video, you can like this video if you have earned a decent profit from the videos that we have uploaded in the past. So let's begin. So the chart is currently same. I have not changed anything. We are trading the same plan only. We will be selling call above 16,000 and selling put below 15,400. The reason is the market is again the range bound and it's consolidating between this resistance and support line. So as long as market is trading in between this range, we should not change the levels. So we will follow the same plan again. We will be selling call above 16,000 and selling put below 15,400. And for hedging, we will be buying 200 points away call and put options. So let's check the premiums of this option now. So I will be loading 16,000 call, 8th July expiry, 15,400 put, 8th July expiry again. I will be buying 16,200 call for hedging and 15,200 put for hedging purpose. So now, as you can see, the premiums in the options are very less because the VIX is also now trading below 13. So yeah, the risk, probably the reward that we'll be getting is will be lower now from now onwards. But that is the market. We can't stop trading because of the low premium or low VIX. We will have to continue with that trading as well. So we will be utilizing whatever premium we have, and we will continue with this. So I have got one doubt last week also, what to do when this level crosses and how to exit. So I have already shared a detailed video last around 1.5 months back. I will upload the same video. I will share it in the description section, or you can watch it later on. So in that video, I have uploaded what can be the exit strategy. So I am just repeating it again. So basically, the risk in this particular position is limited. So there can be two exit strategy in this case. First, if the Nifty closes above 16,000, or if Nifty closes below 15,400, then we will have to close both the position that we have. This is the first exit strategy. Second exit strategy is, since it is the risk is limited, the loss is limited, we can keep the position open as it is. Let the market moves, whatever it happens, because the risk is limited. Maximum risk is also defined in that case. So we can keep the position as it is without any adjustment, nothing. So this can be the two strategies that one can use based on your risk appetite. Uh, Basically, I will be following the first one. I will be exiting both the position if market Nifty closes above 16,000, or if Nifty closes below 15,400. So this will be my exit strategy, but you can decide your own as well. So let's start with the payoff now. So I am selecting options here, 8th July, and sell option 16,000 call and 15,400 put. So this is a negative position that we can have in this case. And as you can see, the risk is unlimited and margin required is around 1.55 lakhs in this case, and maximum profit is 1900. So now we will be hedging our position for uncertainty so that we don't face unlimited risk in this case. So I will be buying 15,200 put, and 16,200 call. So now, as you can see, the risk is capped now. The maximum loss is 13,800 and the profit had reduced to 1100 and margin had reduced from 1.55 lakhs to 60,000 only. So which is around 25%, around 40% of what we were paying earlier with unhedged position. So this is the status of the, this will be the status and the payoff for the position that we will be taking for the next week expiry. The premium is less currently, but yeah, we should not miss the opportunity. So we can go ahead with the trading plan as well. I will share this particular strategy and so that you can track the position also in the description section of this video. So this is all about the option trading plan for 8th July expiry. If you have learned anything from this video, then you can like this video. Also, you can mention in the comment section if you want any videos related to this or any other on another topic as well. You can also subscribe to our channel as well. So this is all about today's video. You can follow us on Twitter and Telegram, where I am sharing market update regularly. Also, there's a disclaimer with this video. Thank you, guys.